favorite.
This is
Trailing
sick.
my birds apart.
Jersey?
Yeah, that's pretty funny.
How are your socks?
You see that?
It sucks. Really?
Yeah. When I try to put this thing on, it comes like all the way up like this, and then the water runs down what's on there and then just soaks my pants.
Aw,
Duct tape.
bummer.
Yeah, I gotta make
Give us a twirl. Oh yeah, work it.
You had security hired to the mall. You know, like that's a shit move, Santa. That's a bitch move. You pay what you owe.
Blinks, what did you find today?
I found this water in a rocky nook somewhere.
Victory!
That makes me kind of sad. I don't know. But
He was getting, the weather was getting pretty
Trail magic.
and
My whole life I've been so scared of thunder and lightning. It's kind of fun though, today. Remember that time I said I wasn't scared? Yeah, I'm scared now. There's so much thunder. Don't like it. Soup. No.